In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on this device. So at first, just click on square icon, and here you will notice security scan at the top of the list, so just tap on it. Click on OK, and now the virus scan will be performed, so just give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already performed. This device is secure, so there is no threat detected. However, if there is any virus in your device, it will be removed automatically. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.